Work in chains 5 space of the round 4. 1 single crochet to the right, double crochet front post of the round 4. Chains 5. One single crochet to the left, same double crochet front post. Chains 4. Skip to the next space. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 16 single crochets. 8 chains 5. 8 chains 4. Work in chain 5 space of the round 5. 10 double crochets. Skip to the next space. Repeat 7 more times. At the end of the round, close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 80 double crochets. Working on the back side. Insert the crochet in the chain 5 of the round 4 and of the round 5 space. Two double crochets not close. Skip double crochet of the round 4 and work 2 double crochets not close. Close these 4 double crochets together. Pass the stitch forward between 5 and 6 double crochet of the round 7 and close it on the back side with 1 slip stitch. Chains 3. One single crochet in the chain 4 space of the round 6. chains 3. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain in the first group of 4 double crochets. Total 8 4 double crochets close to header. 16 chains 3. Work 1/2 double crochet front post in each stitch of the round 7. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet front post. Total 80 half double crochets. 8 groups of 10 each. Work 1 double crochet and back loop each stitch of the round 7. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 80 double crochets. 8 groups of 10 each.